Welcome to Narisiki, and today let's make healthy fox nuts, and I have added some spices to this and sweetness. So I have this makhana fox nuts. So we are going to roast them, dry roast them on a medium flame, and it takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Keep on stirring because once they are roasted, they'll get burnt very easily at that point. So keep on stirring. And how do you know it's done? Just take one in hand and try to break it. And you'll feel if it breaks very easily, that crunchiness is there, it's done. So it may take 5 to 7 minutes or more time. Now I'm adding another healthy ingredient, sesame seeds. So sesame seeds, dry roast them. And this will take about 3 to 4 minutes because my pan is already hot. And how do you know that sesame seeds are done is it will start popping and it will slightly change the color. So now these are done. I'm going to put it in a separate bowl, and this is a very healthy snack for kids and for everyone. So now take ghee. You can also take coconut oil if you are vegan. So I've taken ghee. Once ghee is melted, add fennel seeds. And make sure the gas is low now because it will get burnt. Now we are going to roast this fennel seeds in ghee, butter, and I'm going to add dry ginger powder. Specifically if it's winter season, please add dry ginger powder. It's very healthy. So dry ginger powder, once you add dry ginger powder, add jaggery because dry ginger powder will get burnt very easily and will give bitterness. So I've added about 2 tablespoons of jaggery. If you like it sweet, then add more. If your jaggery is not very soft, just add 1 spoon of water if you want. We are not going to make it very thick. We are going to just make sure that jaggery is melted and keep it for another 2 minutes on a flame. Put off the flame, add fox nuts, makhana, and stir it right away. Otherwise, the jaggery will become hard. So this will be coated with jaggery, and my gas flame is put off. So now this is coated with jaggery very nicely, and this snack is very good for kids. It's sweet, healthy. We have fennel seeds, jaggery, dry ginger powder, specifically when it's winter. Don't forget to add dry ginger powder. Now when it's a little bit moist, that moisture is there of the jaggery, we are going to toss it in sesame seeds. So sesame seeds will stick to it, otherwise it won't get stuck. So right away, just roll it in a sesame seeds. Now when they are cooled down, make sure you store it in an airtight container because they'll get soft very easily. So make sure they are cooled down and then put it in an airtight container. I make in small batches because they are fresh and they don't lose that crunchiness. So please do try this and subscribe Narisiki for more videos. Thank you for watching.